Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account on a Realme 15 series phone. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Realme 15 device. Since you're already logged into your account, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. After that, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Now scroll down and tap on Help Center. This will open the Snapchat Help Center. In the search bar, type "I can't access my account" and open the result that says, "How do I delete my Snapchat account?" After that, scroll down a little and tap on Accounts Portal. Snapchat will now ask you to enter your account password. Type your password and then tap on Next. That's it. Your Snapchat account will now be scheduled for permanent deletion on your Realme 15 phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Realme, Snapchat, and Android tutorials.